Here's 6 concepts to master 90% of LLM basics in 2 minutes. Now, when you ask your favorite chatbot any question, for example, how many eggs should I eat before the gym? Here's what happens under the hood. The first component is tokens. Your question doesn't enter the model directly. It first goes through a component called tokenizer, which sits at the input layer and breaks your raw text data into smaller pieces called tokens. Think of it as a translator that converts your language into a language that the model understands. Now, these tokens may or may not always be full words. For example, gym might be 1 token, before might be 2 tokens. It all depends on the tokenizer. So, as a first step, everything you type gets tokenized before the model sees anything. Number 2, context window. All tokens get loaded into a context window. It's the model's working memory. So, the model can only think with whatever fits inside this space. Your conversation, system instructions, retrieved documents, memory, uploaded files. All of these things compete for this space. This is also why you keep hearing that newer models are shipping with larger context windows. So, a bigger context window simply means the model can process and reason over more information at once. A third component is embeddings. Now, the model needs to understand the meaning, not just tokens. So each gets converted into numbers called embeddings. This is how the model knows that eggs and protein are semantically similar while eggs and JavaScript are not. That's why words with similar meanings end up mathematically closer in the embedding space. Our next concept is system prompts. Before your prompt even reaches the model, there's another hidden instruction layer, which is the system prompt. This is where the developer defines behavior, tone, restrictions, formatting, and safety rules. Hence, the model is not just responding to your question. It's balancing your question against the system instructions behind the scenes. The next component is temperature. The model is ready to respond. Temperature here controls how the model generates the answer. If it's set to lower temperature, it's safe, precise, and predictable. Whereas high temperature means creative, varied, and completely unexpected at times. This component is also tuned by the AI developer at the API level, so it doesn't go with the prompt. For example, for my egg question, I want the temperature to be low, but if I really want to brainstorm around it, I'll set it to higher temperature to crank it up. Our next concept is RAG, aka Retrieval Augmented Generation. You might have already heard about it. By default, your model is frozen on training data. But what if a latest nutrition research report says no eggs before workout? My model won't even know about it. RAG plugs the gap. It retrieves the current knowledge and loads it into the context window so the model knows before it generates any answer. So here's the full flow. This is not an exhaustive list. There are more concepts you need to know, but hope this helped you understand the 6 knobs that work with LLMs. Brush it up before your next round.